Welcome, today I am with JBL Reflect Contour 2 and I will show you how you can pair these headphones with your Apple Watch. So at the first we have to grab this power key and we have to click and hold it to turn on our headphones. Until this indicator starts blinking on the red and the blue. Right now we can release because we are in the pairing mode. Next you have to grab your Apple Watch. Simply go for the settings, scroll down to the Bluetooth, and then on the available devices list you will find headphones. Tap on them once. As you can see, right now we are successfully connected. And that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.